प्रधानमंत्री जी, बच्चों का न्यूट्रिशन के ऊपर आपको कोई ध्यान नहीं है क्या? अरे पैसा आपके अकाउंट में है भाई, यूटिलाइज करो। हमने तो दे दिया पैसा, आप क्यों नहीं यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो? उससे पहले हमें क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? सो go use it. This document is available. Have a look at it if I'm saying anything abrupt. So next, sir, these are not chota mota amounts. These are big amounts. I want to ask question therefore. Sir, flexible pool for RCH and health system. Sir, I've heard health minister. I've heard health minister Jagat Prakash Nadda ji. No, you can always ask me, Supriya ji, all the questions, but I've heard you all. I want to come up with my answer. Please have patience and you may ask me again. But if I'm telling you anything that which is not already available with you, I'll be ready to answer. But it is there. What proof of budget document by? Bhagwan. Budget document hai bhai. Sir, flexible pool for RCH health system strengthening National Health Program and National Urban Health Mission. National Urban Health Mission. How much is left in the accounts? 2,988 crores lying with the states. Next, I've heard questions being asked of the health minister. Next, I've heard health minister trying to respond. No, I'm giving teachers. No, I'm giving paramedical staff. No, we are funding. You know, sir, how much money is left there? Human resources for health and medical education. 7,059 crores are lying in the state account. Would they please use it?
सर वो इस्तीफा देना चाहते हैं सर।
सर
वो इस्तीफा देना चाहते हैं।
नेक्स्ट
अब दे दी इस्तीफा।
हाँ बताओ
इस्तीफा देने की बात कर रहे हैं। इस्तीफा देना
सर। Swachh Bharat Mission. Sometimes they raise questions saying, was it necessary for Honorable PM to speak about Swachhata on the ramparts of Red Fort? He spoke and he's carrying the mission forward, and as a result, World Health Organization has said health has improved among women and children, and those which we heard many members speak. I want to show how much in the Swachh Bharat mission urban money is left with the states. 12,319 crores are with the states. Please spend it. Please spend it. Sir, Amrit, another. They are very concerned about urban. Don't worry, hear me out. Yeah. Urban rejuvenation mission. 500 cities. They are worried about urban unemployment. I want to ask this question. 12,377 crores are lying in the states. Will you use it for Amrit? Sir? Also. Listen. I will give you answer. Sir, next. There was a lot of comment saying Jal Jeevan Mission. Mantri ji बैठे हैं, Patil साहब इधर बैठे हैं, minister. They asked questions saying why Jal Jeevan Mission gets a small allocation. Because we are reaching the saturation level and only for the new leftovers are we giving money. But how much money is left on Jal Jeevan Mission with the states? You will be astonished to hear, sir. 13,782 crores are lying with the states. So, sir, I'm not letting this list go. So pardon me. They say about many new people, many poor people.
धर्मेंद्र जी बैठ जाओ।
We want people to hear.
आपकी सरकार नहीं है, बैठ जाओ।
We want people to hear. We want people to hear. Oh yes. No, they didn't know this also. Okay, you'll get it. Sir, they say PM Awas Yojana, Gramin Urban. They didn't have any number. 14,000 is left with the states for Gramin. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Guarantee Program. 4,351 crores are lying with the states.
माननीय प्लीज प्लीज
Sir, Sir, since there are some points, sir, would you allow me, sir? I like to. Don't worry, I'll come.
बैठिए बैठिए
इतना agitate
बैठिए
नहीं होना।
माननीय बैठिए
I've heard you for 3 days. I'm telling you a reply. You should have the patience to hear. Kaliwori ji.
माननीय मंत्री जी प्लीज
No, I'm not
माननीय
making
मंत्री
sense.
जी
Budget.
मान-
It is budget. You can ask for it. You can ask for it. Sir, sir, I respect Member Kalyan Banerjee. I have a lot of patient hearing whenever he stands to speak. But I also want him to have that patience when I speak, sir. I request him. हाँ बिल्कुल बात करेंगे जी, 1 मिनट. हाँ बात करेंगे सर. Kalyan Banerjee ji is somebody who listens. I listen patiently because he passionately speaks about Bengal. I have absolutely all respect for him. But here are some things which I have to speak because his leader who spoke that day, he was here. I was also here listening to his leader. I want to point out some things there.
I know you will speak only against Bengal. What more you can do?
आप प्लीज बैठ जाओ, गरिमा बना के रखो. माननीय सदस्य आपकी गरिमा बनती है फिर बिगाड़ लेते हो आप. बैठो ना, आपकी गरिमा बनती है, थोड़े दिन बाद फिर बिगाड़ लेते हो आप.
Listen and then conclude. Yeah. Listen to me.
You give us the details from outside.
ओके
Yes, I'm going to give.
ओके प्लीज.
I'm giving. Listen. Very well said. I'm going to say that. Sir. Yes.
प्लीज थोड़ा प्रेशर कम करो.
Sir,
थोड़े
since-
दिन रेपुटेशन बनती फिर बिगाड़
Sir.
लेते हो. प्लीज बैठिए.
I'm biased towards.
नो
Please,
माननीय
it's
मंत्री जी
all right.
प्लीज नो डिबेट. प्लीज सभा की 1 मिनट प्लीज. माननीय सदस्यों प्लीज बैठिए. माननीय सदस्यों, सभा की सहमति हो तो सभा की कार्रवाई माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी के उत्तर तक बढ़ा दी जाए.
Sir, क्योंकि already budget, tell me about my state, all that comes. So that it is a biased budget. I'll come back to speaking also specifically as was requested by Honorable Member Kalyan Banerjee. But before that, Sir, Shri Dharamveer Gandhi ji, who started the debate, raised a lot of points. Some of them I would want to answer, and that was also followed by many other members. I've already mentioned that how for capital expenditure, the amount which is being given is steadily every year increasing.